In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix audio out of sync on Instagram Reels. We've all been there ready to upload that perfect video you've worked hard on, only to find that the audio is annoyingly out of sync. Fear not, because by following these simple steps, you'll have your reel looking and sounding great in no time. First, let's begin by ensuring that the issue isn't with the source of your video. Check the original video file on your device. Play it back and observe whether the audio is in sync with the visuals. If it plays correctly on your device but goes out of sync on Instagram, it's likely an app-related issue. If the audio is off even on the saved file, then the issue might stem from the recording process itself. In such cases, you might want to re-record your clip ensuring clear audio tracks or consider using a different app to capture your video. Assuming the problem lies within Instagram, let's address it by ensuring your app is running smoothly. Sometimes, app glitches can cause these sync issues. Go ahead and navigate to your device's app store and check for any available updates for Instagram. Updating the app can often resolve unexpected bugs that could be causing sync issues. Next, simply restart the application. Close Instagram completely from your app switcher or background apps and then reopen it. This can refresh the app's memory and possibly resolve temporary glitches. Also, ensure your device's operating system is up to date. Playing catch-up with system updates can sometimes mess with app functionalities, so keeping everything current is a wise move. Another important step is to check your internet connection, as uploading videos can be hampered by a weak or unstable network, leading to potential sync problems. Switch to a stable Wi-Fi connection if you're on mobile data, or try uploading the video at an off-peak time when your network is less congested. If you are still encountering sync issues, a practical way forward is the classic method of uninstalling and reinstalling the Instagram app. By doing this, you're effectively clearing any potential corrupted files or settings that could be interfering with the app's performance. As you go through these steps, it's a good idea to keep testing by uploading short clips to see whether sync issues persist. Also, before uploading again, edit your reels using third-party editing apps. These apps often provide stable platforms for perfecting edits before sharing on social media. With these steps, you should be able to tackle audio sync issues on your Instagram Reels effectively. Keep an eye on updates from Instagram as they continually enhance their platform, often fixing long-standing bugs in the process. Thanks for watching, and hopefully, you're now ready to go and make your perfect reel without the sync hassle.